Your income is probably not as passive as you think. If you're working full-time, you're not really building wealth because all of your hard work and effort, not to mention the money you earn, goes to pay bills and expenses. If you want to make substantial progress toward building wealth, you need to build multiple sources of passive income that will provide you with a steady stream of money even when you're not working. If you don't know what to do or where to start, be sure to watch this video all the way through because we're going to show you 8 ideas for creating passive income streams that can help you start your journey to wealth creation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fascinating Self. Now let's get started. Create a course. A popular strategy for generating passive income is to create an audio or video course, then sit back while the money rolls in from the sale of your product. Courses can be distributed and sold on sites such as Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera. So, starting a course can be a great way to build passive income. As long as you create something of value, you can potentially teach your audience what they need to know to be successful. For example, if you've created a course on email marketing or increasing traffic to your website, some people might need it and would pay to learn it. You can even partner with someone else who offers related services so that you have multiple sources of income in your bank account. This can help you get rich faster than ever before, as you can make more money by outsourcing certain tasks by doing them yourself. You can also consider a freemium model, which means building an audience with free content, then charging for more detailed information or people who want to know more. For example, language teachers and stock pickers can use this model. Free content helps demonstrate your expertise and can attract those who want to take their knowledge to the next level. Write an ebook. Writing an ebook can be a good opportunity to take advantage of the low cost of publishing and even leverage Amazon's global distribution to get your book seen by millions of potential buyers. Ebooks can be relatively short, 30 to 50 pages, and can be relatively inexpensive to create since they rely on your expertise. You need to know a specific topic, but that topic may be a niche and involve special skills or abilities that very few people have but many readers need. You can quickly design the book on an online platform and even test different titles and prices on the market. But just like designing a course, much of the value comes when you add other ebooks to the mix, attracting more customers to your content. In addition to selling your book on Amazon, you can publish it on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare and sell it on sites like Fiverr and others. In addition, you can use social media sites such as Facebook and Twitter to promote your books and reach new readers. Affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, website owners, social media influencers, or bloggers promote a third party's product by including a link to that product on their site or social media account. Amazon is perhaps the most well-known affiliate partner, but eBay, Awin, and Share a Sale are also among the big names. And Instagram and TikTok have become huge platforms for those looking to grow their audience and promote products. You may also want to consider building an email list to draw attention to your blog or direct viewers to products and services they may be interested in. When a visitor clicks on the link and makes a purchase from the third-party affiliate, the site owner receives a commission. This commission can range from 3% to 7%, so it will probably take a lot of traffic to your site to generate significant revenue. But if you can increase the number of visitors, or if you have a more lucrative niche such as software, financial services, or fitness, you may be able to make a lot of money. Affiliate marketing is considered passive income because, in theory, you can earn money simply by adding a link to your site or social media account. In reality, you won't earn anything if you can't get readers to your site to click on the link and buy something. So make sure you do it right and you'll be able to generate a fairly consistent passive income. Flip retail products. Take advantage of online sales platforms such as eBay or Amazon and sell the products you find at discounted prices elsewhere. You will be able to arbitrage the difference between the purchase price and the selling price, and you may be able to build a network of people who will follow your transactions. You will be able to profit from the price differences between what you can find and what the average consumer can find. This can work especially well if you have a contact who can help you access discounted merchandise that few people can find. Or you may find valuable merchandise that others have simply overlooked. In addition, it is easier to resell items online than it is in person, as there are fewer barriers. If you do decide to sell products online, make sure your prices are competitive with other sellers. And make sure your product descriptions are detailed and accurate because potential buyers won't want to purchase an item they don't understand or that doesn't match their expectations. You'll also need some inventory management software so you can keep track of all of your transactions. Creating an app. Creating an app can be a way to make that initial investment of time and then reap the rewards of that investment over the long term. It can be a game or an app that helps mobile users perform a difficult function. Once your app is public, users will download it and you can generate revenue. An app has significant benefits if you can design a product that engages your audience. You'll need to think about the best way to generate sales from your app. For example, you can run in-app ads or charge users a small fee for downloading the app. If your app gains popularity or you receive feedback, you will probably need to add additional features to keep it relevant and popular. The biggest risk here is probably that you are using your time in an unprofitable way. If you commit little or no money to the project, or money you would have spent anyway, such as on hardware, you don't have much to worry about financially. However, the market is very crowded and truly successful apps need to provide a compelling value or experience to users. You'll also need to make sure that your app collects data, it complies with privacy laws, which differ by country. App popularity can also be short-lived, which means your cash flow could dry up much faster than expected. So you need to find a way to optimize your app so that it is always up to date with new features. Sell photography online. Selling photography online might not be the most obvious place to set up a passive business, but it could allow you to scale your efforts, especially if you can sell the same photos over and over again. To do that, you might work with an organization such as Getty Images, Shutterstock, or Alamy. To get started, you'll have to be approved by the platform, and then you license your photos to be used by whoever downloads them. The platform then pays you every time someone uses your photo. You'll need photos that appeal to a specific audience or that represent a certain scene, and you'll need to tease out where the demand is. Photos could be shots with models, landscapes, creative scenarios, and more, or they could capture real events that might make the news. Part of the value of selling or licensing your photos through a platform is that you have the potential to scale your efforts, especially if you can provide pictures that will be in demand. So you could potentially sell the same image hundreds or thousands of times or more. Dividend stocks. Shareholders of companies whose shares pay dividends receive a payment at regular intervals from the company. Companies pay cash dividends every quarter from their earnings, and all you have to do is own the stock. Dividends are paid per share, so the more shares you own, the higher your payout. Since the income from the stock is not tied to any activity other than the initial financial investment, owning dividend-paying stock can be one of the most passive forms of earning money. The money will simply be deposited into your brokerage account. The tricky part is choosing the right stocks. For example, companies that issue a very high dividend may not be able to maintain it. That said, there are ways to invest in dividend-paying stocks without spending a lot of time evaluating companies. ETFs are investment funds that hold assets such as stocks, commodities, and bonds, but trade like stocks. ETFs also diversify your holdings, so if a company cuts back on its payouts, it doesn't affect the price or dividend of the ETF too much. ETFs are an ideal choice for novices because they are easy to understand, highly liquid, inexpensive, and offer much better return potential with much lower costs than mutual funds. Sponsored posts on social media. Do you have a strong following on social media such as Instagram or TikTok? Get growing consumer brands to pay you to post about their products or otherwise feature it in your feed. You'll need to keep filling your profile with content that draws in your audience though. And that means continuing to create posts that grow your reach and engage your followers on social media. Leveraging your social media presence is an attractive business model. Draw eyeballs and clicks to your profile with strong content and then monetize that content by setting up sponsored posts for brands that appeal to your followers. Even when you've got the sponsored posts you're looking for, you'll need to keep posting to draw in your audience and remain an attractive option for advertisers. That means committing to more time and monetary investment, even if you do have a lot of autonomy on exactly when to do it. So folks, this is the end of the video. Let us know in the comments if you want us to make more videos like this. Don't forget to like and share this video if you like it. See you in the next video.